I will show you how to send a snap, an image as a snap. First, you just have to take a snap. Don't mind my one piece bed cover, and then you can click on sticker, and then you can click on your photo, and you can click on this. This is as far as it goes, because to be honest, that you can optimize it more further by just taking a black background like this, and then you can just use this there. You can customize it however you want. Then maybe you can crop this out. It seems that the crop is not working, so this is how you can send an image, but this is as far as you can go. I think you cannot make it any more bigger than this. There we go. You can just click on send, and then you can send to anyone that you want, and done. Well, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.